It is Heidi with Nest Pretty with another episode of Running in Circles. You get my warm-up. That way I don't make you sick as I go around in my circle. So since the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide came out, it's been so much fun because I've been getting all of these pictures sent to me of nests that are being built in your yard. And just, it's so fascinating how every single nest is so different. In fact, I just got a picture of this beautiful nest made out of mud. It has 3 birds sitting in it. So adorable. My mom was telling me also that she watched a bird build a nest, like one twig, one string, one hair at a time, and then he unbuilt the nest, but then he built it back up again. And what she figures she observed was the girl bird show up and totally tear it down and redo it. So that just illustrates how we all have our own ideas about how to build a nest, and it's such a personal thing. Not right or wrong. It's what I talk about a little bit in my email that I send out every week. I don't know if you are on my email list, but once a week I send out a little tidbit of how I personally am nesting pretty and using the principles in my own life. So if you're not on the list, just send me a DM and I will put you on the list. Because, bottom line is everyone is different. And Nest Pretty is not about making your nest just like Heidi's. That's no fun. Boring. And I've always felt like so many people are in a hurry to get their nest set. So perhaps they walk into a store and just buy all the things so it looks just like that picture in the magazine. But when you do that, it lacks the depth and the personality. It becomes someone else's vision and not your own. So Nest Pretty is an approachable guide to building your own nest so that you love it every single day. So if you're not on the email list, just send me a DM and you'll get a little tip from me, which, we all learn so much from each other. I personally learned so much from Judah this weekend, which is what I'm going to talk about a little bit in the email. But the bottom line is we all are building our nest one twig at a time, and it's so much fun. It's the small choices that we make every day that add up to a beautiful life. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. I am so glad to be out and about. It's really warm and humid today. This is my time of year. I thrive in the heat and the humidity. I absolutely love it. So I hope you are thriving where you are and enjoying your day. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, running in circles. I will get started as soon as I let you go, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.